morning, folks. Maverick Indicators here. We're a little early in this trade, but I guess with experience with the indicators, I kind of noticed something a little bit earlier than, a little stricter of a checklist with these indicators. But why am I in this trade? So I'm in one contract of ES, and I just drew this support level right here. And we have been coming up since the open. We went from a reversal candle, which is, see, you're coming down, market open. You got reversal candle, which is gray. You got green candles, which is your second strongest up candle. And then you had bright green, which is your strongest up candle. And then what happened was we started to turn a little after 10 o'clock, and you start getting gray reversal candles, okay? So normally I wait till it closes below this blue line. This blue line is the Maverick guide, okay? When we're above the Maverick guide, we go long. When we're below the Maverick guide, we go short. And I could just show you this all day long, even though this is middle of the night trading. When you're above the Maverick guide, you go long. When you're below it, you go short. You're not going to get big long trends because it's the middle of the night. Below the blue line, you go short. Above the blue line, you go long. Okay, so you get the point. All right, so let me flip over here. Sorry, if I get any error messages that pop up during this, we are testing some strategies and some indicators on a couple other charts. So I might continuously get like a order closed messages. Sorry, just ignore it. I'll try and close them as quick as possible. But I'm testing a pretty cool thing on NQ on another chart. Okay, so why are we in this trade? Red background, Maverick AI Pro colors our background. Down confidence arrow, and I actually had another down confidence arrow. This is the risk of getting in a little too early, but that's okay. So when we got into this, we had two down confidence arrows, but the candle has not closed yet. And you can see it's struggling to close below the Maverick guide, because if we do get a close below the Maverick guide, that will signal some sort of reversal, okay? So you can see they're struggling hard to close below it. Look at this, it's a battle. And you're in the last minute of your 5-minute bar. So this is where battles are won and lost. The first minute and the last minute of a 5-minute candle. So you can see we're getting a rejection here. Like I said, I got a little early into this trade, which is okay. So it all depends on your account size, what you're comfortable with risking, and all that stuff. So we had a red background, but remember, these things calculate per candle. So it's not, the indicator will change its mind throughout the life of the candle. But once the candle closes, that's it, okay? Now, if you look down here, so look, did I get shaken out of that? No. Did you just see me in the negative for a couple seconds? Yes. And look, I'm back up almost $250 because when I originally got into this, and now the candle's closed, so it closed with a green background, we had two confidence arrows. One got removed because it was during the life of the candle, but once the candle closes, that's it. So now we got down confidence arrows, red background. We went from bright green candles, which is your strongest upside candle, to green candles, which is your second strongest, to now reversal candles. And now, folks, I'm pushing well below the Maverick guide, which is our blue line. On top of that, during all that chop, what did you see here? You saw that my Maverick Multi-X was red the whole time. Down here, the 1-minute chart was completely voted bearish by 5 traders. Again, this is like trading with 5. Sorry. This is like, I warned you about those. I'll try and cancel them as quick as possible. So think of these as 5 traders. They're all expert traders. They all have different trading styles, and these are their votes across 6 time frames. And right now, all 5 traders are voting bearish across the 1-minute, and almost all of them are voting bearish across the 3-minute, some on the 5, but you just ran up for a half an hour. Of course, your 60-minute is still going to be bullish, and your 15-minute, because just hasn't been enough time to pass, okay? So we're only in one contract, so I can't really scale in and scale out of this thing. Now, if we do break this level, I might add another contract and take it down to here. I'm not looking for a huge move. Okay. Maverick Trender is not triggered yet because there's not enough of a trend to trigger it. But what I would love is for the red line to come up here and get completely pegged at the top here and get a downtrend label. Kind of like what you see here and what you see here. See how it's pegged to the top? Maverick Trender, super, super powerful. We'll never trade without it on my screen. All right, so now looks like as long as we keep pushing down, we'll get a close below the blue line, which is our Maverick guide. And we'll see if we can hit our target, which would probably be just about there. Okay, so which is a decent amount. So one contract. Let me do a quick review because I know you guys like this. I see it. You guys send me emails after I post these things. So red background, down confidence hero, down confidence hero. We're stacking all these ingredients. You came up all morning, bright green candles, your strongest candle to what? Gray. Gray means indecision or reversal. This is obviously reversal candles, okay? We're not consolidating, we're heading in the opposite direction. Gray candles, okay? We are below the Maverick guide. This blue line is your Maverick guide. Below the Maverick guide, you go short. Above the Maverick guide, you go long. Below the, and when I say that, I mean price versus where the line is, right? Below it, you go short. Above it, you go long, okay? Our Maverick Multi-X, five traders voting across 6 time frames, and you can set these for whatever time frames you want. You can add a 7th. They're voting all bearish on the 1 minute, and we're almost all bearish on the 3 minute. You will always go from left to right, meaning your 1 minute chart will change before your 15-minute chart, right? Because you're going to have to, you got to get enough bars on these charts. So we always read from left to right, and right now, all 5 expert traders are voting bearish on the 1 minute and almost all of them on the 3 minute, okay? And we're gonna look for that to continue to fill red from left to right for us to stay in this trade. Now, this is a support level right here that I drew, so we're gonna need to break through this. So I'm gonna need a little bit more strength and momentum to the downside to break through this, but up about $500, not bad. We got our down confidence heroes. We have reversal candles here, these gray candles, red background. We're below the Maverick guide. Barring a huge wick here, we should close below the Maverick guide, which is a beautiful thing. I normally wait for a close below the Maverick guide, but just knowing ES, and ES loves to kind of change directions anywhere between 10 and 10.15. And then not did we just change directions, but we changed like strength of candles. Gray candles are reversal candles. Okay, this is how I can have like X-ray vision on the market because the Maverick AI Pro is coloring my candles to show me reversal candles, not just retracement, because these would just be regular red candles, but actually gray candles, which is telling me, hey, we're looking to reverse. Now I got my third down confidence arrow, which is beautiful. Okay, my Maverick Multi-X. Now those 5 traders are voting bearish across solidly the 1 minute, the 3 minute, and now we're almost overtaking the 5 minute chart. Bearish, okay? So if I can get trader 5 to vote bearish here, I'll feel even better. Maverick Trender has not been pinged yet, so I'm a little cautious on this trade. Okay, because we are starting to get a trend, but the Maverick Trender is looking at a lot of back-end data to tell you, are you truly in an actual trend? So this might just be some sort of retracement from this morning, and it might stop somewhere around here and then continue back up. Okay, so really interesting. If you want clear vision on your charts, if you want, take out a lot of the guesswork, stack probability in your favor. We show you how to use these indicators, super, super simple rules. Come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. We would love to help you crush it. These are the indicators I wish I had when I first started trading. I wish I knew what a reversal candle was, and not just red candles, but wow, we got gray candles we're reversing, and just get that kind of that X-ray vision into the market and take a lot of the guesswork out. Okay. So we're pushing down. We have 1, 2, 3 confidence arrows. We're below the blue line, the Maverick guide, red background. Maverick trender has not fired yet. And honestly, if it does fire, I might move this sucker down, because that means we're an official data-driven downtrend, right? Okay. We're red background on the 1 minute, the 3 minute, and the 5 minute. Now, right around here, I would expect a little retracing, because the market makers aren't going to let us retail traders. It's my experience or my opinion. The market makers aren't going to let us retail traders jump on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down candles, and then everybody piles on and tries to ride the rocket, right? Like, they're going to want to shake you off. So I wouldn't be surprised if we got a little retracement here. But let's see. Let's watch it. Sip on our coffee. Stress-free trading. I'm going to move my stop loss to break even so that I am now protected. And let's see where this one goes. If I close it out for, whatever, it doesn't matter. Point is like, this would still be a nice win if it doesn't get all the way to my profit target. Okay. Which I'm kind of asking it to get to this exact spot. So I'm going to move it up 2 ticks. And we're not going to be greedy. Always remember, hogs get slaughtered. Pigs eat, hogs get slaughtered is the saying, right? Like, pigs eat, hogs, if you're too greedy, that's when you're in the danger zone. Okay. So we're not looking for too much here. We're in 1 mini. Okay, now we just got our confidence arrow back. We're pushing down. We have completely lost the 5 minute, meaning that all the bears are voting on the 5 minute. All 5 expert traders here, okay, are voting bearish on the 1 minute, the 3 minute, and now solid on the 5 minute. And they're starting to vote on the 10 and the 15, which is beautiful. Okay, so we're up over about $1,000. So if you want clear vision on your charts, again, if you want help with crushing it with trading, if you want the indicators that I wish I had when I first started, come check us out. Okay, come check us out. Sorry about that. We're testing a couple of things in the background. Come check us out. Right now, lifetime members, you're getting $1,500 in bonus indicators you cannot get anywhere else. Okay, you can't buy them on their own. It's only with the lifetime membership. And I'm about to drop 2 more dimes on you guys, on my lifetime members, around Black Friday, just as a thank you. Okay, so come check us out. Come get clear vision on your charts. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.